Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can backup a sheet in Smartsheet. So let's start. The first thing we want to do is just be in Smartsheet, and there are multiple ways how we can do it. The first way is when you're going to click on it, you can go to Actions and actually export it somewhere, right? But the second way how we can do it is just simply click here, Request Backup. A zip file containing Microsoft Excel or sheet and comments and optional folder containing attachments. You can include, and okay. And this is how you do it. And now when you go to request backup, you can view recent backup, and then you can download the backup right here. And voila, this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. And yeah, goodbye.